Hey guys, today we will go through how to reset your Dahua DVR. Let's get into it. First, you're gonna go into your main menu. You will now go into Maintenance Center. On the left, you will go to Default. And you will select your default. So if you made a setting that you want to change, just click default. If you want to set it factory default, select factory defaults. Click OK to continue. Put in your admin password. Select OK. The device will now factory default and reboot when finished. Once the DVR reboots, you will now be in the wizard and the DVR has been reset.